Sharp 5-Axis Vertical Machining Center, VMC, allows 5-sided machining and 5-axis simultaneous machining to increase productivity at a reduced cost. Compared to a 3-axis VMC that requires a separate setup for cutting different sides of a part, a 5-axis VMC can clamp a part one time and rotate into a series of positions to machine each side without refixturing. The Sharp SVX-500 is ideal for mold work in using shorter and stronger tools to speed up the feed rate, taking heavier and deeper cuts without sacrificing accuracy. It also maintains longer tool life and delivers smoother and finer finish for the part. For complex multiple helical shaped parts, simultaneous 5-axis machining capability is essential. XYZ axis are mounted with highly rigid cross-roller type linear guideways, with low center of gravity design featuring low friction and heavy load resistance to achieve outstanding fine finish on workpieces. Rapid traverse can reach 2,362 inches per minute, 60 meters per minute, for fast positioning to improve productivity. Cross-motion Y-axis travels overhead on 3 pairs of roller blocks on the linear ways supported on double-column sidewalls of the box structure. Such design eliminates any overhang caused by moving saddle. Sharp's highly skilled technicians conduct hand scraping on mating surfaces of structural parts, thus increasing the surface flatness and to improve geometric accuracy of the entire assembly. Linear scales on X, Y, Z axis provides feedback control that ensures a high degree of linear accuracy. With the use of rotary encoders on A, C axis, high indexing and repeatability accuracy can be achieved. This machine is equipped with a 15,000 RPM FANUC built-in spindle. The motor is designed with high-low windings to deliver high torque and high power at different spindle speeds. The spindle features dual contact between the spindle face and the angle face of the tooling. It provides a significant increase in tool rigidity while reducing spindle runout to a minimum. The tool magazine is located at the back of the machine. It is possible to change tools without a swing arm. All tools sit vertically on the magazine. This allows for easy access and maintenance. The back mount tool magazine allows for easy access when loading a tool or conducting maintenance. Y-axis feed is driven by 2 servo motors that directly couple to 2 ball screws. This feature provides faster response that meets high-speed machining requirements. The high-speed trunnion table is directly driven by servo motors, enabling the machine to perform high-speed machining even with simultaneous machining on 5 axes. The trunnion table tilts between -110 degrees and +20 degrees along A axes and rotates 360 degrees along C axes. During the machine design stage, Sharp's engineers use Finite Element Method, FEM, to analyze stress, strain conditions, multiple loads from thermal, gravitational, centrifugal, and other forced displacements, and designed the ribbed castings for optimum load-bearing structure. This machine is designed with the advanced box-in-box construction, thereby assuring the maximum precision and rigidity for all machining applications. As the workpiece is fixed and the spindle head moves along the X-Y axes, there is no overhang problem with the table. Ball screw cooling reduces the thermal deformation on the ball screw while ensuring feed accuracy. The front-mounted coolant gun and air gun are convenient for the operator to flush off or blow off chips. The hinge-type chip conveyor is mounted at the back of the machine, making it convenient for disposal of chips. The machine comes equipped with a FANUC Series 31i B5 as standard. Other controllers such as Siemens and Heidenhain are optional. Thanks to its ergonomic design throughout, the workpiece and spindle are easy to access. Other benefits include convenient inspecting for ATC, loading and unloading workpiece, as well as conducting maintenance.